Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how we can connect Google Tag Manager to our website. First of all, let's understand what is Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a product of Google, or we can say that it's a tool of SEO. If you are running your website on Wordpress or Blogger, then you use the code of Google Analytics, Webmaster Tool, Facebook Pixels, and many other tools which are you used on your website, which decrease the speed of website. So it's a bad sign for us. So Google Tag Manager is something where we can add all these tags. Okay, so now let's understand how we can connect Google Tag Manager to our website. Let's jump onto our laptop screen. Here we will type Google Tag Manager. At first result we have to click. Before moving onwards, we have to log in the Google Tag Manager and create an account. Now there are two things, account name and container name. You can understand it. Account name means that the name of company, and the container name is the all the name of the websites. Okay, so in account name I will write the name of my website. Country we will select India. We will check this box, and in the container name I will write the name of my website. Okay, and here we will click on web, and now create. Now we will check this box and click on yes. Here we go. Now we have to paste this code, these two codes in our website. So copy, we will do copy, and here is the website login panel, admin panel, and we will go in the theme editor. Actually this code we have to paste in the head section. Okay, now we will click on header.php, and we will find here this is the head, and here we have to paste this code. And this is the head close tag. This is the another code which we have to paste in body section, body tag. We do copy. This is body, and we do paste. Now we have to click on update file. file edited successfully. Now we will click on OK. Okay. In this way we can connect Google Tag Manager with our website. Okay, so if you like my video, then please like, share and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.